Oh, what a good meme.
Meme. Who doesn't love a good meme?
Meme.
Mimi.
Mimi.
Meme mama.
What the fuck was that?
Oh, I thought I was going to take me straight back to the backpack.
Oh, this is that map. I hate this map.
We're going to start the new video then with opening my Superior Battle Pack.
Wow.
Yeah.
How many views have you got in your video?
Oh, for Hell Regal. And it's a legendary. I'm going to add that to my inventory.
Oh,
And
the Hell Regal.
puzzle piece. I don't want the puzzle piece. I'm not bothered about the puzzle piece. I've got like 20 views on each video now. So
Congratulations.
not loads, but it's a start, you know. It's a start.
Got 20.
Oh my
44
god,
views.
my friend was in this music video, and it's just the absolute worst thing I've ever seen. And it's, oh, I'll try and find you it. It's
Worse
so
than
funny.
Friday.
Pardon?
So,
What's the other one? My Jeans.
My G.
Oh.
What the fuck?
How does that one go? Oh, Ashley
She wore those
Tisdale's
jeans like
wearing
me.
my jeans.
Oh, that one.
Britney
So
Spears
shit.
is wearing my jeans.
Kiki Palmer is wearing my jeans. Have you seen the Brock's dub one? And it's like Kiki Palmer is wearing my jeans. Who the fuck is Kiki Palmer? It's just, oh yeah, that one was, yeah, tragic.
That's one of the best. What
What'd you say?
class is everyone?
Scout.
middle class.
I'm a pint. I'm a pint.
Bourgeoisie.
A vote for Labour is a vote for the means of production. Because together,
yeah.
we shall seize them.
Oh my goodness. Stupid Pokemon.
Look at these.
What
Look
is
where I am.
we shall
Still,
season them?
mad hacks. Mad hacks. Where? I don't know where anyone is. I've got a big fucking flag in my face.
Gee, Willikers, Spider-Man.
We're up to 4 viewers. Thanks, guys. Viewing. Hope you hang around.
Yeah, I got my mum to watch.
Well, thanks, Dylan's mum.
4 viewers.
Oh, so famous.
You are boring, aren't you?
You know what? Go fucking Kurt Cobain yourself. How about that? Yeah, I said it.
I'd gladly cook.
He was a
Cobain
grunge
myself.
music icon, but at the same time, I also want you to paint the walls of your brains.
Actually, his suicide was a conspiracy. He was murdered. Yeah.
By who?
The Jews. They came out of nowhere.
Yeah, the Jews who did 9/11 as well.
Oh god, I
Jews.
thought for some reason
Jews
I was
did it,
assaulting
right.
around round the corner to throw an anti-tank mine at the tank, but I didn't. I just hit it with a fucking spot flare. Oh my
It's
god.
something.
Oh my god. Fucking how did I not just die? Kiki Palmer is where I'm gonna have that song stuck in my head for fucking ages now.
It's just the worst, isn't it?
We have taken objective.
Right.
Oh,
Why is no one trying to take Charlie? This is usually hot as fuck.
Thanks.
Charles.
But you know, I'm not ready to take that step in our relationship yet. Oh, you mean the adjective? Sorry.
Ah, that was
No, make
fucking.
your
You got
asshole.
Ah, that's a
all of
cheap
your
shot.
4 viewers are laughing right now.
They're absolutely pissing themselves.
It should be. This is quality entertainment.
This is top entertainment. This is better than Love Island, Big Brother.
Oh,
And you know
that
what? I'm even going to
show
say
is
this is
the
better
absolute
than
worst.
Love Island,
We have
Big
lost
Brother,
objective
and Blue Pete combined into one show.
Whoa!
Objective.
No,
Yeah, you know, I
the
said
line
it.
of Blue Peter.
Blue Peter.
Blue Peter even still a thing?
Going.
I used to
Yeah,
fucking love
it
Blue
is.
Peter.
Yeah, it was great. I always wanted a badge. That was like my dream as a kid.
It was
Get
a
a
dream,
Blue
but
Peter
like
badge.
you never wanted to be the kid who sent in one of their poems because you know that You're not.
You're gonna get laughed at backstage.
You're gonna get laughed out of the place,
Send
aren't
in
you?
a suicide note.
What the fuck? that is real poetry. Dylan, 20 from Liverpool.
We have taken objective butter.
We'll be sure to alert the authorities. Look at that.
But thank you for sending it in.
Thank you for sending it in anyway, Dylan. We'll have your badge sent to the crematorium so that you can.
We'll make sure it gets put on
Make sure it
for
gets
for your funeral.
We don't
that's it. We made a
joke.
joke about sending in a suicide note to Blue Peach. I'll view it in half.
Nah. For what? Nah, what you wanted one of those
It's
was the gold one. I can get you into loads of shit. I can get you into MI5.
get into MI5, Spearmint Rhino, Angels in Peterborough, Jimmy Savile's locker room.
Oh god.
Bad gets you places.
Gold
It's like ID. You don't even like. You could be 15 years old, go up to your local club, and they say, "Oh, you look a bit young. Can I see ID, please?" You're like, "No need." Whip out a Blue Peter badge. Like, fuck.
Back out. Blue Peter gold badge.
Give this kid a booth. Get him a bottle of pineapple Ciroc.
Boom.
Turned it.
The bloke kid's got a gold Blue Peter. Get the good stuff. Get the good stuff.
This kid's royalty.
One of the bouncers in the toilet
Blue Peter,
frantically
what a
trying to
show.
get a baggie out of his bumhole.
Right, do any of you remember that TV show where you could create your own like little robot, but it wasn't
Bamzuki.
actually real? That was fucking lit.
I used to have it
I
on
have
my
no idea what
laptop,
you're on about.
and you could try and make your own, but you don't even know how difficult it is to try and make a Bamzuki that can proper fucking walk about and everything like that.
And then on the TV show, it'd just be them staring at nothing.
Yeah, they got to go there and they've got to shout and chant, but they're actually just they're just staring at a big piece of
They're just staring
cardboard.
at fuck all.
I've got A-level. I've got an
that
A-level
was
in
a-
drama. I couldn't stand there that interested for that long.
Not sure.
It was a fucking great show. I'm sat here. I've got my mini fridges making my room so hot,
The Raven.
but at the same
Oh,
time, I've also got cold
I really
beds.
wanted to be on the Raven.
The nerves that them people must have gone through when they crawled through that little hole and they've got the Raven there, watching them,
But it
waiting
was
to go through. Just literally.
hella
I
turned.
think if you think about, I know it's a TV show, but if you think about it as if in like the way it's supposed to be set, and if they're real challengers, that's like a 30-something-year-old man happily sending young teenagers off to their potential death. He doesn't even bat an eyelid.
We have taken objective George.
Which shows that?
Raven.
Quite
Oh, that
macabre.
was such a sick show.
Quite macabre when you think about it.
You get some fucking
We have lost
spasmoid, you just
objective
feel
do.
the fucking end.
Some
You think, what are
absolute
you doing?
weapons on there, like Jesus Christ.
Utter
No
fucking
wonder you've only got
spoon.
2 feathers left in your pole, mate.
We have lost objective apples.
Oh,
How the fuck
Do
do
you,
you
any of
remember
you
that?
remember that show 50-50?
Oh, what were they
Yes.
had the blue and the yellow team? They used to get can't
Yeah,
remember
that
what it
was-
And you used to gunge people at the end. It used to
Yeah.
be lit.
No, that's not. That's
Yes. No, they're on fucking.
no, they didn't. They had
like,
the big
boards,
inflatable
and then they-
thing. You're thinking of Get Your Own Back, where they had the
No,
parents in the
I'm not
chairs, and you've
thinking
got
of
to do the bit at the end,
At
and
the
every
very
time you do it
end,
right, they
and
get
they
sent one
slide
back.
into the middle. They slide into the middle.
That's Get Your Own Back.
That's 50-50.
It's not
Don't-
50-50. 50-50 is where
it
they used to
is
get the schools in, and at the end they had the inflatable bit, and they used to have to get the snowflakes.
Yeah, I know. But at the end, they get the two teachers, and whoever does like some shit, I can't remember. They go straight into the fucking pool of gunge. Yes, don't test me on this.
I don't remember that. I could be wrong. But on that note,
shit, bro.
He's been binging it on Netflix.
on that note, how good? Did
Oh,
anyone
yeah.
else watch Get Your Own Back?
No,
No.
I wasn't
Who was?
autistic.
Anyone
Hang on, I'm
watch
gonna find out who the bloke was who did it.
Baby.
He looks like that. He looks like Ainsley Harriott, but he's not Ainsley Harriott. And I'm not just saying that. 'Cause that's not like it.
Fucking racist.
It's not.
Ainsley Harriott.
I'm getting Siri come up now. I'm not Siri, whatever it is, my thing.
Lost
Anyone
objective.
watch Prank?
Who? Dave Benson Phillips. That's it. And if you look at him,
No, no, what
does.
we're talking about, it was Samuel Jackson.
was it not Lawrence Fishburne?
No. It was Terry. I swear God, it's Terry Crews.
Have you ever seen ever seen extras?
No.
Right, so what's his name, Ricky Gervais, and they get Samuel L. Jackson on it. And they say, oh yeah, I really liked you in The Matrix. And then they're like, oh, that wasn't me, that was Lawrence
Samuel L.
Fishburne.
Jackson. Like hentai.
What?
What?
You see that, like-
Yeah,
Did you not see that video where it's like they asked Samuel L. Jackson, it's like, does Samuel L. Jackson like anime? And he goes, yes, hentai too. And so he loves hentai.
it's a good little
boy.
nugget of
The more you
information,
know.
that.
Thanks, Chris.
Oh, I thought,
That ever comes up at a
Oh,
pub
no.
quiz?
We have lost objective Freddy.
Did anyone?
Time it comes up in a pub quiz. Are you mental?
if it ever comes up in a
Like-
pub quiz, just that one day. Apart from lesbian
remember
and
this day.
gangbang, what other type of porn does Samuel L. Jackson like? And you were like, fucking hentai. I'm all over that. Give me the points.
Does anyone remember
Roly
it was a-
poly oly.
a show called?
Rolling
Outlaws?
Polioli. That was my shit. That was great.
Sorry, Chris, I cut you off. Go on, say what you were going to say.
Nah, it's fine. It was a good.
Yeah, that was quite rude of you, Charlie.
Yeah, I apologise.
It was called Crush.
Really bastard.
Crush.
What?
Crush.
Nah, I think
It's
you're
like-
talking shit, mate.
He's always
That's
getting
why
the
there's a
tank
tank,
girl.
there's a big
It's
fucking
when they,
tank!
Where they like, try and pair you up with your crush. Oh, I don't-
Oh, no, I
We have
remember
taken
that.
objective
It's
Butter.
just, that's just Tinder for kids.
Vaguely.
It's just kiddie porn.
Just kiddie Tinder.
So we're gonna do certain guys with
Ah.
a finger or a butthole.
That's it.
Huh?
They
What?
blindfold one of them and they get the other person to stick their butt through a small hole in the wall. Stick a finger in the butt,
I've
give
seen
it a
that
sniff, and they're like, yeah, he's the one for me.
Yes.
Give it a
Do
little
you
taste,
think
get
after
them
the show
crusty
they
bits from
just
underneath the finger.
filmed it afterwards, you know, and they just sold it to slavery?
What other
Quite-
kid shows were there? Billy and Mandy. That was a good show. Billy and Mandy. Billy.
Yeah, I did like Billy.
They made the Grim Reaper.
Oh,
make it.
Grim Adventures.
I
Yeah,
did
that
love
was
the
Maybe that's
Batman,
it.
dude. I agree with Charlie there.
Bit that.
Custard the Cowardly Dog.
Custard.
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 Custard!
I thought his name was Custard.
Cowardly.
Custard the
Oh,
Cowardly
something
Dog.
like that. No, it's Courage the Cowardly Dog.
It's
That's the one.
Courage. Courage the
Is it
Cowardly
Courage the
Dog.
Cowardly Dog? I thought his name was
Yeah,
Courage for
Courage.
some reason.
Definitely Courage. Custard.
I thought you saw his courage.
It's fucking
Right.
Custard.
I'm Googling it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's Courage the Cowardly. Yeah, it sounds like custard. It's I thought it was called custard.
Oh my god.
Oh, custard.
I'm finding this a lot funnier than I should.
Oh god. Custard.
It was called custard.
We are losing
Fuck, I've
objective
not watched the
Charlie.
show in about fucking 8 years.
We have lost objective.
Fucking Custard.
Oh. Where'd you get custard?
It sounds like custard.
It
Courage,
doesn't sound
whatever
a
it is.
thing like custard.
Oh. Custard and cream. Oh god.
Who the fuck
Custard,
still
that's-
uses Martini Henry?
I fucking hate that gun.
We have taken objective Edward.
Oh god, that's too funny.
How embarrassing, Charlie, how embarrassing.
Okay, look, at the end of the day, I'm only human, okay?
Custard.
Hey, for fuck's sake, it's not that funny.
No, it's fucking hilarious.
No.
Oh, Custard.
What's
it's
that
just the way
saying
you were
about
so.
simple
you were
things
so
entertain
confident.
simple? Well, okay.
You were so confident.
It's called Custard, okay. I made a whoopsie.
It was a funny whoopsie. Custard.
Custard the dog.
Courage and Custard. You were
Oh my
nowhere
God.
near. Oh, that's made my day.
Do you ever watch Jorge of the Jungle?
No.
Heard of it.
What?
What's that?
Oh, I get it. Because Jorge's like George, isn't it?
Yeah, well done,
God.
Oh, I thought you'd be
To be fair, none of the others got it.
Sounds so.
Yeah, I'll pick up for the other two of them.
No. I don't know what you were talking about. What were you thinking about Custard?
Custard, fucking Custard.
It'll go down as one of your greatest moments, Charles. Custard.
Halfway there.
Mode of the Vampire? That was
How'd
it.
you- Mona the Vampire.
No, it's Moana.
Moana the
Moana.
Vampire.
Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
Moana the Vampire.
Already Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
Suddenly she's a fucking Maori.
Pacific Islander.
Maori's are Pacific Islanders.
And then you got Shaun the Sheep. Shaun the Sheep.
Let's see.
You killed it.
You ruined your own joke. Could you?
Really?
I'm dying.
No,
I'm dying.
not gone down to the
Dying.
galaxy.
Oh, just giving up this game. Whoa,
Well, I
Who's
tried.
clues?
Is that you?
Oh, where have I been shot from? Where have I been shot from? Oh, fuck.
I see, I'm fucking dying here.
Just Ben 10. That was a good one. Ben 10.
That was a good show. Oh, I never really watched Ben 10. Samurai Jack was a good one.
Sick.
That's Summer Jack's still going. Wait, not in my sense, you can finish now, but.
What was the one with Jackie Chan?
Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan.
That's Summer Jack.
Chan's voice. He voiced something.
Oh,
That's Summer Jack.
Hey.
Trust me.
Are you sure? No, it's something to do with dragons.
It was Samurai Jack. It was Samurai Jack.
Nah, definitely wasn't.
It was Samurai Jack. Trust.
Definitely wasn't.
American Dragon.
American
I know
Dragon,
the
that's
one-
it.
I'm
the
sure
one
Jackie
where-
Chan had his own TV show as well, though.
Yeah, he had his own TV show, and he get fucking talismans, and they fucking lit. I don't know
Yeah,
what
I
it's
do
called,
remember
but,
that. That was a pretty lit show.
And you could get him in real life, and then be a Kung Fu master. Bruce Lee.
Oh my fucking god.
Actually, Jackie Chan did karate. Oh, yeah, I don't even know if it was true. Was it Kung Fu? I thought it was karate.
It'll be Kung Fu.
Oh, he's a samurai, isn't he?
Yeah, but he's. Oh, I don't know. I thought
Yeah,
Kung Fu's
he's Samurai
like
Jack, wasn't
Japanese thing.
Jackie. Oh, I just put Jackie Jack. Idiot.
Jackie Jack.
Chan.
Jackie Brown.
Jackie Chan
Jackie-
Adventures. It's just called that, and you get like fucking talisman, rat, dragon, horse,
Who was?
The Jew.
snake.
I'm trying to think of other famous Jackies. Jackie Stewart. That's who I'm thinking of. The dry. I think
We
he's
are
a dry.
losing objective Duff.
This is a fucking long game.
Oh, I'm glad this video is going to go up because I'm just going to watch that bit. He's called it Custard the Dog.
We have lost objective
Oh, that's a
Duff.
century shit.
Whenever you feel like getting me Prezi, no rush.
Dying.
No, I just die. Yeah, no, that's fine, mate.
I'm so sick of this. Oh my god.
I'm getting so sick of you.
I'm getting really sick of you.
Move like it's World War Three.
I'm a prefect. Oh, what a champ.
I love them videos that used to go around school.
Oh, you got fam.
There was always like that week had a. It was before everyone really knew what a meme was. Back in the day.
Nah,
The meme
When they were just funny videos.
The old memes were the
It
troll
was when
face stuff.
memes were restricted to 9gag, wasn't it? Back in those days.
Yeah.
Ugh,
They were
nice.
troll
Fucking
face and
9gag.
the angry comics. It was them. The memes.
Sake.
Oh god.
Now we just have fidget spinners.
Use my dick to spin it.
Dexter's Laboratory, that was a good one.
I did watch Dexter's Laboratory.
Art Attack. Oh my goodness.
Omelette come on.
You know he killed himself.
Art. He didn't.
Mark Spate, yeah, Mark Spate hung himself.
No, you're thinking. No, you're thinking of
Oh
Smart.
no, I'm not thinking of Art
You're
Attack.
thinking
I'm
of the
thinking
blue
Smart.
Peter guy.
Yeah, no, that's
Yeah.
Neil Buchanan, isn't it?
Blue Peter? No.
He's now in a band. Oh,
Oh,
he's not now
he
in a
wasn't
band.
very smart.
He's in a band called
Yeah, he is in a
Marseille.
Is he?
No, I think
sorry,
it's
because
the
it's
other
going
art
on.
show.
Def Leppard.
I apologise for that.
You got the guy, what, the
Jeez.
drummer out of Def Leppard. Good
Pardon?
thing he was good. Good thing he was a good drummer, because he'd been shit on guitar, wouldn't he?
Who? What?
The drummer out of Def Leppard.
Oh.
I don't know what you're on about.
We have
I have
taken
no idea what you're on about.
So I
Oh,
thought
just
someone
fucking-
said
I
something
don't
about Def
understand this
Leppard.
reference.
No.
Drummer of Def
Oh,
Leppard's
no.
only got one arm.
Recess. that
Oh,
was a good
no,
one.
that's Slipknot, isn't it?
No,
Recess. Power Rangers.
definitely Def Leppard.
Go Power Rangers. Alright, okay. Which one
I
Are
was
you
all
fucking
about
kidding me?
Power Rangers.
Again?
Power
another
Rangers
fucking
Time
fan.
Force was my my
Lightspeed
go-to.
Rescue. Lightspeed Rescue.
Have you ever tried or Have you ever seen any of the new Power Rangers? Fucking awful. Did you see the guy from the original Power Rangers, like the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers? The Red Ranger got like sent to prison for murder because he cut someone up with a sword.
Yeah, oh, I saw that.
Something like that.
Yeah, I saw
What the fuck?
Yeah, I know.
He's just trying to protect the city.
Yeah, I mean, if you're gonna
Sounds
do
like
it,
that's the
fucking-
case of Never Meet Your Heroes. Fuck you! Yes, I killed him.
if you're gonna do it well.
If he didn't do it in his red Power Ranger suit,
I've
boys
got
doing
a.
it.
I have a picture with me and the blue Power Ranger at Butlins.
Probably
I
not
wanted
the
to-
real Blue Power.
In
I wanted
In
to
a-
get a picture with
in
the
a
red
room
Power
alone.
Ranger, but on that day the red Power Ranger was poorly and couldn't
He
make
showed him
it.
his sword. It was shiny and slippery.
Shredder is Megazord.
Yeah, this is my Super Power Ranger pork sword.
Oh my god.
Oh wow,
You know when
Mr.
they
Power
connect?
Ranger, it sure is.
Pretty much what they did last
Sure
night.
is flashy.
Oh, it's oh look, it's morphing to a hard sword.
Hard sword.
Oh my! Why they call them the Mighty
Stop
Morphin
moving,
Power
Charlie,
Rangers?
so I can give you ammo.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
The
Oh, don't
Clangers.
do it.
Anyone,
Oh my god.
anyone watch the Clangers? What
Did
a,
watch the
what a
Clangers.
lovely show the Clangers
Bit
was.
before our time, but I did see some of the gliders. And the suits
Ed, Ed, and
dragging.
Eddie. That was the shit.
Nah,
Ed,
shit.
Ed, and Eddie.
We have lost objective.
Teletubbies.
Yeah, you know you're tiny a bit now, don't you?
Tracy Beaker. Thunderbirds.
I fucking love Tracy Beaker memes.
I was on Perfect, but.
Oh,
I can't
the shot
see
from
shit.
the wrist up. I
It's
can't
raining,
see shit
isn't
either.
it?
I hate it when it goes like this.
Dick and Dom in the bungalow.
That's the point of it, mate.
Dick and Dom in the Bungalow was
Oh
like the
my
fucking
God, that
best
took a
show
whole
ever.
fucking magazine to kill him. Wow.
88 service
Okay.
stars with a Hellregal. What a chap.
That is. Oh,
That's
that gun is
commitment.
so overpowered. It's disgusting.
I'm not even that committed to my relationship.
Oh. Hope Amy's not watching
69,
these
Oh,
streams.
69,
Of course she's not watching them. She's got better things to do with her time.
69 Zoolade.
Oh, I get the joke now.
64.
69 Zulane, it's 64 Zulane. I was a bit slow to cotton onto that one.
Hell yeah. S Club. You know, S Club 7 had a movie, and it was this thing of.
Yeah, because they had that thing where they didn't have, they had the clones, and you could tell they were clones because
Yeah,
they didn't have belly buttons.
Yeah, they had belly buttons.
It's such a stupid premise for a movie, but it's such a smart thing, isn't it?
So good.
How they haven't got belly buttons. Fucking genius.
And then they,
Lost objective.
you know,
That
they just
sounds
like sing.
ridiculous.
It was fucking good.
Did you ever watch the Scooby-Doo movie?
Both of them.
There's like loads
Yes.
of them.
Nah, there's only
It's
the
like
two
Rowan
live
Atkinson.
action.
They
Oh
were
yeah, and Rowan Atkinson in it, didn't he? And he was
so
like the
good.
main guy, and like Scrappy Doo was inside
Yeah.
his chest at the end of it. Sorry, plot spoilers.
And then the girl's name was Mary Jane, which is known as.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, actually.
And Shaggy's just like that's my favourite name.
Yeah.
Referring to
Like,
them being
that's
fucking
my favourite
stoners.
name.
Have you seen
Yeah,
the
something
Scooby-Doo
like
now?
that, we'll go there.
They've just turned into like this generic, like, cartoon style.
Scrappy Doo's not in it anymore.
It's because someone
Because
helped me.
the Tories took away his
We have
benefits.
taken objective George.
Yeah, he now can't even leave his bed. He's like some dwarf dog in his.
Oh god.
Now doesn't meet the requirements to get disability living allowance. Have taken away
Put
his
the
car, and now all
winter
he's
fuel
got
on.
left is his little badge
We
in
have taken
night.
objective Charlie.
Has to drag himself around his bed, and he can't even go outside to piss against the lamppost. He'd now have to do it up against the plant pots, and it's just.
Yeah, you're taking it too seriously.
Scientific, yeah.
I read into it too much.
A little bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get in.
Fuck!
It was just my immersion, really. I was just so engaged. I just thought I was in the First World War. I thought I was there.
Anyone see
No.
Tugs? Tugs.
No.
It was basically like Tugs the tank engine, but with tugboats.
That sounds dreadful.
That sounds
Fucking, it was so good.
Yeah, but imagine all
Are
the
you
jokes
sure?
you could make about getting a tug.
I love
Hey
getting a
Susie,
tug when
come
I
give
was
me a
kid.
tug.
I love innuendos,
Did that.
hidden jokes in kids' TV shows.
They were quite
A flame
hilarious.
trooper kit is available near your
There is a lot of
Oh,
people in
guess
that
who's gonna burn
place.
some motherfuckers? Get singed, bitch.
What is going on? I mean, I know there's a war going on.
I need someone, I need someone, I need a healer with me, I need a medic, I need a medic, I need a medic.
64, 64, 64 Zulu.
We have taken objective Duff.
Oh, 100 double low.
Who's
And
medic?
66. Well, I'm very confused. Where are these people?
I'm at sea and it's like loads of people at sea and I'm on my own. Help me.
Oh, I need healing, I need healing, I need healing.
We have taken objective
I'll heal you,
Alpha.
I'll heal you.
Hurry up, hurry up.
There you go. Here's some healing.
Can I fuck yourself?
Let's try.
Charlie,
Got
that's
you.
right next to you.
Daddy. What the
Literally, I
bangers
can't see
TV
anyone.
There was one guy, but I don't know what happened to him.
Missed
Oh,
it.
he died
stabbed
in
in
the
the
war.
back. Got bayonet
Missed
charged.
it. Where's Waldo?
Where's Waldo? Where is he?
We are losing.
They're behaving badly. Bogies. That was a good one. Bogies.
Bodger and Badger.
Bodger and Badger, Bodger and
Bodger.
Badger. Everybody
Badger.
knows Badger loves mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
All he ate was mashed potatoes, and it was.
It doesn't make sense really, because he's a badger. Why would a badger eat
he's
mashed potatoes?
why
That's
would a-
the entire premise of the TV show.
And the mashed
not?
potatoes
Taken objective
were
Duff.
like in a box. They weren't like
Your shit is like
mash
smash,
a
wasn't
potato
it?
up.
Not a proper mashed
Yeah, it was
potato
like-
made with
No, it was like sovereign baked shit.
potato.
We have taken objective
But then
Butter and
again,
milk.
he is a
Then
badger,
again,
so-
he is a badger, so what does it matter?
I don't think they give a fuck.
No, I don't think they really gave about the quality of the mashed potato.
Okay. What was going through the creator's mind? Badgers, what do they eat? Potatoes.
Everybody
Mashed.
knows.
Yes.
Badgers,
Yeah, but how do you know they
badgers
don't?
love mashed potato.
Yes, because when
It's
I watch
even
a
in the
David
theme
Attenborough
song.
documentary, you know, he's watching a badger eat fucking mashed potatoes in the
Bill
wild.
Oddie there on Springwatch outside of Badger Den. We will get closer to the badgers, but they are currently making their mashed potatoes, and they get very defensive at this stage of the evening.
Jesus, mashed potato. Mashed potatoes.
Oh, we had a defeat.
Just one of the wildest things. Bagpuss. I remember Bagpuss. That shit used to trip me out, Bagpuss. Weird.
Oh, shit. Half an hour again. Definitely get that into 2 videos. Highlights. Anyone
Oh,
on the
Dylan.
stream?
Dylan.
Look at that.
Badger.
Most resupplies.
Roger a Badger theme tune.
Man's got a bell pack. Right. Badger, badger, badger. La 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 la.
What the fuck is that?
Everybody
Roger a Badger.
what's your brother like mashed potatoes?
Mashed potatoes.
Oh my god.
Right,
And it was so
that's that
weird
video
because the
there.
badger was so fucking animated.
Animated. It was a fucking puppet, you twat.
Yeah, I know, but it was like fucking flopping all
Oh, animated
over
as in
the place. Shit.
personality. Oh, that's very clever of you there, Chrissy.
Thank you.